Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to unsend a voice message from a group chat on Instagram. Whether you've sent something by mistake or just changed your mind, this feature allows you to retract your message seamlessly. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your messages without any hassle. Once you're in the app, look for the messages icon at the top of the page. This icon resembles a paper airplane and is typically located in the upper right corner. Tap on it to enter your direct messages. Now that you're in your messages, find and open the group chat that contains the voice message you want to unsend. Scroll through your conversations until you locate the correct group. Once you're in the chat, look for the voice message that you wish to retract. Here comes the crucial step. Click and hold on the voice message. This action will prompt a menu to appear at the bottom of your screen. Among the options available, you will see Unsend. Tap on this option. After tapping Unsend, Instagram will ask for confirmation. It's important to remember that unsending a message removes it for everyone in the group chat, making it seem as if it was never sent at all. However, be aware that if someone has already listened to or seen the message before you unsent it, they might still know about it. Once you confirm your choice to unsend, the voice message will disappear from the chat instantly. And just like that, you've successfully removed a voice message from a group chat on Instagram. This feature is particularly useful for maintaining control over what you share in group conversations. Remember, while unsending can help avoid misunderstandings, it's always best to think twice before hitting send. Thank you for watching. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on using Instagram effectively.